So as I said, first this screws. Then this comes off and this slides down. Then this may fall out here, and yeah, I guess I need to disassemble the display again as well. So display comes here. And then you need to be careful, there's a flex cable just there, and a Beta 214. This was to snap open. Yep. That is the display. And then this goes in here again. Nothing forgotten, right? All screws in there. And then the screws go in like this. This display flat ribbon cables are slightly harder to get in there for some reason. By the way, one easily touches the speakers, so needs to be careful not to destroy the cones there. Nah. Like, wait, this is screw. Shit. This is cool. Always when you make a video you say something and it happens. Not to forget this button. So then I guess this top cover here wants to be slided in more like this here to the plastic snap in things. So in everywhere, I hope. And then this side things here. Of course, a pity that the battery now may be totally dead. Let's see if it still turns on. So everything should be. Indeed. Invalid system date here. So all the opening and serial for nothing. But if you have this issue, that is how you do it, and set the date with the serial cable. And otherwise, this is how the OLPC looked, and as well as look inside. And that's it for today. And maybe we can use this as a log viewer or something with this passive display here. Also already forgot the phenomenal choice of the Alt key being here.